Hi guys, today you're going to be looking at technology and how that has impacted your Fourth Amendment rights mostly. So search and seizure and warrants. What happens when you introduce technology into the mix? So let me just walk you through. There are quite a few court cases today, but they're really, really short, so it shouldn't take you long. Honestly, I don't see this taking you more than 20 minutes to complete. You're just going to say what the issue is. So again, this is talking about technology. What piece of technology are they talking about? Like there's a court case dealing with cars and whether or not you need a warrant in order to search a car. So whatever the issue is, whatever the story is, you're going to put down in that first box. And then the Supreme Court decision. What did the Supreme Court rule? Now, in order to take a look at this, let me just get this up. This will be the PDF document. You'll see exactly what I just showed you in not a Word format. Just scroll past it. There is a Word document, so you don't have to create your own. If you keep going down, then you have the case summaries. They tell you what the court case is. Again, they're paragraph long. So even though there are about 10 cases, this really shouldn't take you too much time. They're very, very abbreviated. If you have questions, reach out to me. Again, please make sure you're making up any missing work. You really need that 60 in order to pass this course. So for some of you, that hasn't been a big issue. Other people have kind of fallen off the map. So I do accept all late work. It doesn't matter how late it is, as long as it's Q4. I can't touch Q3 anymore. Make sure you're getting that work into me. That way I can update PowerSchool. PowerSchool gets updated on a daily basis, not over weekends, but every day that I'm getting information, I am putting it in immediately. So PowerSchool is what I have. If you see something that doesn't look right, you need to email me. Hope everybody's well and good luck today. Reach out if you have questions.